Dr. Andre stands as proof that real fitness is built on knowledge, discipline, and consistency. Andre Fitness is not about shortcuts, it's about understanding muscles, building mastering strength training, and representing the science behind growth. When it comes to building big goals, most people quit too early. Goals are stubborn. Yes, but they respond to passions, volume, and intensity. If you want to build big goals, you must train them like champions to heavy weights, full range of motion, slow control, and relentless consistency. That's how you get bigger goals. Whether you are a beginner, experienced lifter, growth comes when excuses stop. See you on the next video, next topic. Dear everyone, okay, take care of yourself and bye bye.